outrageous. I mean, I can imagine living through that. You would wonder, is there a tornado happening right outside my window?
Yeah, it's nasty. And just seeing all the trees down in the neighborhoods. I mean, folks not even being able to get out, just not a good scene. But unfortunately, we are in the severe weather season. This happens across Texas. And the thing is, more isolated thunderstorms moving through that region as we speak, and some making its way to us here in Houston. Now, as we look into your Saturday, we're warmer and drier, so that's going to be the day this weekend that you want to get out, have those pool parties. We know there's a lot of graduations happening, so I think the weather's going to look nice the start of your Sunday as well, but it's Sunday evening where it starts to get dicey. And speaking of Sunday, the hurricane season begins. Thankfully, things are quiet in the Atlantic, Caribbean, as well as the Gulf of Mexico. But here is this cold front that we've been watching, and more of those storms making their way through Austin and into San Antonio as we speak. I will say the lightning count is dropping just a bit, which is good news. So the storms don't look too strong. But the thing is, this line's holding together pretty well as it makes its way toward Bastrop. It's not quite in our viewing area yet, but I do think it's going to be moving in over the next few hours. This is a look at our latest high resolution models, and it show that in our western viewing area, it's likely going to start knocking on the door by 7 o'clock, so give it another 2 hours. Most of the thunderstorms will be staying along or south of the I-10 corridor through about mid-morning. Then by midday, a few isolated thunderstorms up to the north, and that trend could continue into the evening, so keep that in mind if you do have any plans tonight. Our severe weather outlook, still a 1 out of 5 risk. If anything, some strong wind gusts and maybe a bit of small hail. As for temperatures, because of the increase in clouds and storm chances, we're only going to be looking at highs in the mid and upper 80s today. So let's say a few degrees below what we felt just yesterday afternoon. And honestly, it depends on where you are across the viewing area, because folks who are up in Montgomery County, points north, maybe you'll be seeing some isolated thunderstorms to start, but then mostly cloudy skies to end the day. And that's going to be a bit of a reverse for folks who do live along our coastal zones. And speaking of the coast, highs today along Galveston Island, anywhere from 85 to about 88 degrees, and we'll be up to about 88 in Angleton as well as West Columbia. Now, I mentioned rain chances drop just a bit on Saturday as high pressure moves in. The thing is, Sunday evening, we could be seeing a few more of those spotty showers, and then it's just going to be a 20% coverage through the start of next week. But always remember, Fox Local is the place to stay updated on the weather where you live.